Yeah, Ma, everything's great here. Yeah, I love you too, Ma. Bye-bye.
I feel terrible.
Yeah, you look sick. Hope it's not contagious.
Can you get that? I don't want to get anyone sick.
Yeah, sure.
Hi.
Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm Michelle. I'm your neighbor. Welcome to the building.
Cool.
Oh yeah?
It seems like you're busy.
Oh yeah?
Oh.
No.
Oh, yeah?
No.
Oh, you're
yeah?
busy.
No,
okay.
no, I'm not busy.
Here,
No.
I just made you some cookies.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Thanks.
Oh yeah?
Okay.
No, it's... No! Hey, why are you watching porn at this time, especially when someone's at the door?
What? I have no idea what you're talking about.
Really? This doesn't sound like anything?
I still have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh yeah?
Did you not just hear that?
The tea kettle? It's just water boiling.
Where'd you get that?
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Flip me over?
You want a waffle?